Some people know me for doing a wee bit of this, a wee bit of that, and a wee bit of this. Travelling the length and breadth of the country, capturing the history, the mystery, and the beauty of Ireland. But on Sunday the 1st of May 2022, things took a turn for the worse, ending up in the hands of the NHS's finest. So began a full evaluation of life and how to turn my dream into a reality. This is my journey, how I got from here to here.
Welcome to Donegal! Gee,
The idea is I have 10 battens. I'm going to space them out 12 inches apart. So something like that. Put a snag. The distance between here and here is more than 12 inches. So I'm going to have to make the battens a bit longer for the end bits. I'll double up on this bit over here because that's the bit everybody's going to be walking in. So I'll put 2 bits here because that's the step. This will be the bit that's mostly stood on. People coming in and out of the door. So that's the general idea. I'm going to go the whole way along. So that's a rough idea of exactly what the layout is. That is actually not a bad effort. Not a bad effort at all. I'll need one more batten. Well, I'm going to need one more strip anyway to go along the top. I'll run down and grab that. So now I'm just going to take the bits off. I'll number them so I know exactly where they have to go back to. So we have got it out the van. I've got a map down. Put this definite mat down. The remainders of that definite mat I had on the floor. The wood for the floor is all pre-cut, so I'm not going to bother filming all this. I'll time lapse it or something. For the floor I'll be using 25 by 50mm pressure roof battens from B&Q. They come in 3 metre lengths, so I strongly advise you to bring a saw with you when buying them if you're travelling in your car, as B&Q will not lend you a saw to cut them. The battens are also too small to fit on the big wall saw they have. Make sure you hook through them as a lot are warped, and with the price of things these days, you want to be sure of getting a good bit of timber. Floor itself, I'll be using 12mm plywood, also from B&Q. This they can cut if your measurements are right. They also allow 5 free cuts with your purchase. This means you can put your van floor templates straight on top of the new bits and draw around them. Remember, measure twice, cut once. So it is Monday the 18th of July. It is round about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've been up from about 6:30, 6:15, couldn't sleep with the heat. The plan is I'm going to glue these down with this grip fill, and I'll maybe go over it later on with some self-tapping screws. So we'll give it a go and we'll see how far we get. And we'll see if this so-called grip fill does the job. I think it should, like. going to remove all the Reflectix again. I'm going to hoover out all this little mess that's been created. Then I'm going to go around the edges of the Reflectix and place them back in, and apparently that stops anybody squeaking. Tape down and we'll create this vapor fire. Kept the van original templates. I'm going to see if I can draw around these templates, use the old jigsaw to cut around them and try and get this floor down today. I've used a jigsaw about 3 times in my life. Power tools absolutely screw the shit out of me. But I'm going to give it a crack anyway. We definitely will get this floor down today. And just give it a coat around the edges of varnish just to seal it up, just in case any water or any moisture was to get to it. If you need anything done with the jigsaw, I am not the man to call, trust me. Trust me on that one. So the big kapow of the day, the wooden floor. Let's get the thing down and see what happens. Here goes. It fucking fits. We have a floor. Absolutely buzzing. Proper chuffed the way that turned out. Absolutely brilliant. Loving it. We have got a floor.